Hey, it's Loren from NorthShoreInsider.com, but that's not Loren that you're looking at. It's Brian James. And Brian James is a mediator. And in case you don't know what a mediator is, it's somebody who really goes and understands professionally how to take the ugliness out of divorce and really work with couples to make sure that they are more economically and more amicably resolving some of the issues that show up in the course of divorce. And that's what Brian's going to talk to us about. So, hey, Brian.
Hello. Thank you, Loren.
You are so welcome.
I just want to go on a little bit with what Loren said about divorce. Divorce, in a nutshell, is ugly. But getting divorced does not have to be ugly. There is a thing out there called mediation, which is an alternative way to divorce. And what it does is it saves money, saves time, keeps the children's best interests at the forefront, and it also is a divorce on your terms. So what that means is if you're going through the divorce process, I meet with you when you want to, at night, weekends, whatever is convenient for you and your spouse to keep you out of court as much as possible. Also with mediation, it is a way to keep a relationship together if you are parents. After a divorce, some people go on their own way, but if you're parents, more than likely you can't, and you still need to be parents for your children. Mediation assists with that.
Yeah, one of the things that you talked about that you actually are willing to guarantee by virtue of people coming to see you is guaranteeing them some tools so that they can deal with conflict resolution, which I think is probably at the core of most divorces.
Exactly. Most of the couples I work with have some type of conflict, whether it be communication, finances, or whatever it is that brought them to see me. In a nutshell, divorce is pretty simple. There's a few major categories that must be decided on: child support, custody, visitation, division of assets and debts, and taxes. What I do with couples is piece by piece go through everything that they need to resolve and help them do it as peaceful and as amicable as possible. My job is to listen to my clients and help them form agreements that are best for them. So part of my job is just to listen, how parents act to each other, what they tell me about their children, what they tell me about what they want in the future, financial-wise, security-wise. I help them put together an agreement that makes sense to both of them. And what that is, that's a win-win for both parties involved. It saves them money, like I said before, it saves them time, keeps them out of court, it keeps their children at the forefront of the entire process. I have the ability to keep the children at the forefront because simply I don't have any emotions involved in a divorce. Mm-hmm. My couples are very emotional during the process. My job is to be unemotional and help them with every piece along the way. And in the end, an agreement is reached that they both are happy with, which again is a lot less expensive for them, allows them, if they want to go to one attorney to draft the agreement up and take it to court, which is, as you know, half the cost of two attorneys. Also, what mediation does, and this is very important, is down the road, couples who have gone through mediation for their divorce, there's a better likelihood that they're going to comply with the conditions of the divorce.